In a vanilla Laravel application, you can schedule commands, and the lowest frequency these commands can run at is every minute. Because under the hood, Laravel Scheduler relies on cron, and the lowest frequency of cron is every minute. If you have a command that you want to run at a lower frequency, let's say every second, then you'll be happy to know that our Laravel short schedule package can do this for you. In this video, I'd like to introduce the package to you. Let's switch to PHP Storm. To demonstrate the package, I'm going to use this vanilla Laravel application. So the first thing that we need to do is install the package. So composer require spatie Laravel short schedule. And with the package installed, we should add a short schedule function to our kernel. Let's do that now. So beneath the regular schedule function, I'm going to add a short schedule function, and this one receives an instance of short schedule, and I can use this to schedule commands with a very short interval, like for instance schedule command. Maybe we'll have a test command and we want to run that every second. Let's actually create a test command that we can run. So I'm going to make a command, test command, and let's do something in that command. So I'm going to change the signature to test. And in the handle method, maybe we can write something to the log. Let's first add an ID. This will become very handy in demonstrating the package. So as an ID, I'm going to use a random string that's 4 characters long. I'm going to log the start of the command, so starting command, and I'm going to mention that ID that we just generated. Maybe then we'll sleep for 4 seconds, and after that we are going to output finished command. So yeah, it's pretty simple. To easily show new lines in the log, I'm going to pull in another package. Composer require spatie Laravel tail. The Laravel tail package adds a command to Laravel that lets you easily tail the logs. Let's already start that command in another tab. And if I run the command now, we should see some output. The command has started, now it sleeps for 4 seconds, and now it finished. So our command is working. Let's clear the log and go to our kernel to schedule that test command. So here we have scheduled our command to run every second. Now for the normal schedule to run, you have to start an artisan command called schedule run. And to run the short schedule, we have a similar command called short schedule run. This command will start a never-ending loop that is responsible for executing the short scheduled commands on time. In a production environment, you should use something like supervisored to keep this command up at all times and to start it when your server boots. Let's run it for a while. And now you see the command starting, and we're starting a new command every second. Let me stop the loop. So you can see we started the command every second, and it didn't wait for a command to finish. It already started another command before the first one finished, and you can see the first one finishing here. So by default, these commands can overlap. Now, if you don't want any overlapping commands, the package can help you with that. Just tack on here without overlapping. And let's run it again now. And now you can see that the command is started. It's sleeping for 4 seconds. It finished. And now the package will execute another command. Let's stop the schedule. And this is basically how the package works. Of course, you can add as many commands as you'd like to the short schedule. The last thing you can optionally do when scheduling a short command is adding a constraint. So maybe you only want to run this command between certain times. So here you can do that. You can say like this command only needs to run every second from 9 to 5. That is the way you do it. You could also say that this command only needs to run in a certain environment. So you can use the environment function and pass it the environment it should run on. And we also have a when function in which you can pass a closure. If that closure returns a true t value, then the command will run. So if I return true here, then the command should run every second. Let's see that in action. And sure enough, it runs without overlapping. And if I return false here, then it shouldn't run at all. And it doesn't. In the next video, we are going to take a look at how the package works under the hood. See you there.